Namaste everyone, welcome, Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. We would like to acknowledge the traditional owners and custodians of this land and pay our respects to the elders past and present. We also acknowledge the continuing connection to this land, the native land of Australia. It gives us immense pleasure to invite you to our feature concert as a part of Sanmarga Sangeetha Sammelan 2026. This festival marks a significant milestone in our journey, celebrating 15 years since our inception from Yuva Sangeetha Margam. And as many of you know, what began as a very humble initiative to nurture and promote classical music amongst youth enthusiasts has grown into now a vibrant platform that brings together artists, students, teachers and connoisseurs in a shared pursuit of musical excellence. And this year's Sammelan is envisioned as a grand celebration of that journey. At Sanmarga Arts, we are a not-for-profit incorporated organisation that aims to provide a professional platform for local and overseas artists to musically collaborate and perform for Australian audiences. The word Sanmarga is a Sanskrit word, meaning the path of truth, righteousness, and spiritual growth. As such, we conduct regular events throughout the year, featuring concerts by various visiting artists. We have our monthly Yuva Sangeetha Margam concert series, skills workshops, and other thematic events. As a part of Sanmarga Sangeetha Sammelan 2026, we're very, very proud to host our very first Carnatic vocal competition. And it was very, very encouraging to see the tremendous participation from all students across various levels. And we hope to extend this competition in the coming years.
We'd like to give a very big thank you to all the students who participated with such enthusiasm. And we will now be hearing from the first prize winner of Level 3, Aishwarya Harishankar, who will be accompanied by Sri Ravana Pahirathan on Mridangam. Please give them a warm round of applause.